Hi, congratulations on you getting your new cami. So when it comes, I want to make sure that you know how to step in to your cami or put it on over your head. So I am wearing a cami right now, and I have one here that I'm going to step into. This is one size larger because I'm going to be wearing two. So you want to make sure that you have your cami in place, high up underneath your arms, high up in the back, and that you're covered. So I am wearing the lace cami and I'm going to step into another lace. So the first thing you're going to do, I'm going to show you two different ways. This way right here to step in, see if I step back here, you're going to actually grab it by your underarms here. You don't want to grab by your straps. You don't want to stretch them out or ruin them, break them or anything like that. So, and then I just kind of fold it up. You're going to step into your cami. If you need to sit down on a chair or a bed to get into it, that's okay because you'll stand up once you get your feet through it. So I'm going to step sideways so I don't flash you when I bend over. So step into your cami. And then the next thing I'm going to have you do before you pull that all the way up is take your medical grade silicone and flip it up. This way that silicone doesn't drag on your skin. Now, normally you'll be putting this on before you have any clothes on. It makes it a lot easier, I can tell you that. But just make sure that that's folded up first. That gives you that extra little bit of, see now it's not gonna stick at all when you're putting it up. And you might have to shimmy a little because remember our camis have a 360-degree stretch, which means it's gonna stretch to fit you, so don't panic over that. Bring it up as high as you can. Then I want you to bend your arm and put your arm in the armhole. So don't do one of these and hurt your shoulder. Just bend it. Bend your arm, put it through your elbow, and bring it up. Now you can see already I'm pretty high. Bring it up here where you can. Don't worry about this being in place. In fact, you can bring it up higher. It might make it easier. Then what I want you to do is the bend over and cami shimmy. I want you to just bend over and just do a little shimmy. That brings that up in the back. And look, I got all that room. Then you're going to tighten your straps. Again, don't worry about this. We're going to fix that. Tighten your straps. The majority of you are going to have your clips all the way to the front. It's just the way it is. We have a huge strap adjustment and you want to make sure it's high. So see, this is probably still just a little bit high. This is a little high. So you're going to go in and you're going to swoop and scoop your girls up into those cups. Then you can kind of just bring it down a little bit. Make sure that they're in there. Now I'm popping out a little bit more because you got to remember I have two on, so I'm getting squished. So bring that down there. Then once you have this all in place, you can see how high I am. Then you're going to very lightly pull this down. And remember, as you pull this down, this is going to go up against your skin. Your body heat is going to warm this up right here. That's what's going to keep it from rolling. So this goes up against your skin, and then your undies go over the top of it. And just pull this down into place. And you can see mine fit long. I like them there. And then make sure that you're nice and smooth. That is one way to step into your cami. Now let me show you the other. You're going to step out of it just like you do a swimsuit. So just kind of turn it inside out. That way, you guessed it, the medical grade silicone is not on your clothes pulling. All right, so the next way you're going to do this, or could do this, upside down, inside out. Like this. So your medical grade silicone, your hip is up towards the top. Your pockets are facing out. When you step into this, make sure you don't step into your armholes because, well, it's kind of uncomfortable when you do that because it's not going to pull up the way you want to. Again, just kind of pull it through, step in, and pull it up. Now your medical grade silicone is already on the outside. Here it is. So that's a good thing. So step in all the way up as far as you can. Sorry, my pants. Then you're going to take this part here and you're going to fold it up. You're going to bend your arm, put it through because we don't want any shoulder injuries trying to chase it down. You can see I'm way up there. That's good. Place this like you did the last time. Adjust your straps. Do the little cami shimmy. I should have showed you the back before I did that because that brought that way up. Then you're going to swoop and scoop your girls into place and then pull it down. That stopped this from dragging. helped get it up a little bit higher. 2 ways to step into your cami. Now, there are some girls out there who would rather put it on over their head. I'm going to show you that. If you have a firm fit, sometimes putting it on over your head can get a little tricky. Once mine are relaxed, I'm more apt to go over my head, but brand new, I never go over my head. So take your cami, put your arms in like this. This is how you're going to start it. Then just kind of let it drop. So you see it's all wrinkled up and down here. Then you're going to lift the back up over your head and very carefully go into it. Because you got to remember, if you get all twisted up in here, because that's what happens, that's going to be your problem. Find your bottom and just pull it down. Make sure you're up high. Do your cami shimmy. Fix this, put your girls in place, and pull it down. 3 ways to get into your cami. If you have any issues, you have any problems, reach out to me. I'm going to have you reach out to me anyways because I want to do a fit check. So please reach out to me so I can make sure that you have everything in the right place. If you are just a little bit off, if your cami's hitting too low, that one's actually a little high. If it's hitting too low, it's not set in the right place, you have problems here, you need to be stretched, but you're good here, I can help you with that. So, you guys have a great day.